How to fix automatic repair blue screen error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you are facing the automatic repair blue screen error, here's how to fix it. On the error screen, you need to click on Advanced option. Then select Troubleshoot button. Next, click on Advanced option again and choose Command Prompt. Now select your login username and enter your password. Then click on Continue button. Now type this command to repair corrupted Windows files, that is sfc /scan now. Make sure to type it carefully and press enter. This process will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's completed, close the command prompt and click on continue to restart your system. And that's it, your issue should now be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.